When a patient presents to the practice and they have some areas where they're missing teeth, we don't have to restore the whole mouth with dental implants. We just have to restore those areas where the teeth are missing. However, sometimes the anterior teeth may be discolored. So sometimes we'll use a combination approach where we'll use crowns on the natural teeth in the front and implants in the back. Here we have a young lady who presented to the practice dissatisfied with her crowns. Notice the gum around the crown restorations is very irritated and puffy and red. In fact, these teeth needed to be extracted. So what we did is a combination approach where we extracted the anterior teeth and did a bridge that was supported by implants, and in the posterior region we gave her porcelain crowns. Notice in the after photo she looks 10 years younger. In this example we can see a patient where we placed implants in the posterior area with guided surgery. In the anterior portion we restored the failing restorations with full porcelain crown restorations. If you want to enhance your smile to proper form and function, please give me a call at 248-457-0500 or take a look at my website, premierdentalcenter.com, and you'll get a chance to see a lot of before and after cases.